Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have your short ready. Now get it into the platform and lock the final cut. First, upload the MP4, 9, 16, and choose the language for captions. Once uploaded, open the captions or subtitle option in the Creator Studio. Make sure auto captioning is enabled if you want a fast draft. Otherwise, prepare a transcript file. You do this because timing depends on the final length, so finalize edits first and start subtitle creation immediately. Now you refine the auto-generated text or imported SRT. You should read every line aloud while watching the short, correcting words and punctuation for clarity. Then adjust timing, split long lines, keep 2 lines max, and aim for about 5 seconds per phrase depending on length. Use the platform's nudge or frame step controls to sync mouth movement precisely. Once done, add speaker labels or sound cues only if they help comprehension without cluttering the screen. Finish by selecting whether captions stay toggled closed or baked into the video burn-in. Export the subtitle file, SRT or VTT, for reuse across platforms. Then preview the short on mobile with sound off to ensure text size and contrast work at small scale. If text overlaps or appears too briefly, extend timing by about 0.5 seconds and re-export. Troubleshooting tip: if auto captions consistently mistranscribe a phrase, add that phrase to the platform's vocabulary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.